In today's video, I'm going to teach you Stremio Complete Tutorial and Safe Addons Guide. First, open the Stremio app on your device. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your Stremio account so your settings, library, and installed add-ons can sync properly. Once you're in, give the app a moment to fully load until you reach the home screen. From there, head over to the Addons section. You can usually do this by clicking the Addons icon in the left sidebar or main menu. After a brief moment, the Addons catalog will appear. Near the top of the page, you'll see different category tabs. Choose the Community tab to explore community-created add-ons. Now take your time browsing the available options. If you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar to find a specific add-on. Simply type in the add-on name or a related keyword, then review the results that appear. When you find one that interests you, select it to open the add-on details page. On this page, carefully read the description so you understand what the add-on does. It's also a good idea to check its features and see what content types it supports, such as movies, shows, or other media. If language or region information is displayed, review that as well so you know whether the add-on fits your needs. When you're ready, click Install and wait for the process to finish. Once the status changes to Installed, you'll know it was added successfully. Next, return to the Stremio home screen and open the Discover section. This is where you can browse movies and TV shows, or use the search bar to find something specific. Open any movie or show details page, and you'll be able to review the available sources provided by your installed add-ons. If you want to keep track of something for later, add it to your library. After that, open the Library section to view everything you've saved. You can also check the Calendar section to see upcoming episodes and release dates, which is especially helpful if you're following a series. Anytime you want to manage your setup, go back to the Add-ons section and open the Installed tab. This will show all of the add-ons currently installed on your account. Select any installed add-on to manage it, and if needed, you can disable or uninstall it. Finally, return to the Stremio home screen and continue browsing and streaming content using your installed add-ons. Thanks for watching.